How to change time zone on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the time zone on your Android phone, whether you want to set it manually or update it automatically. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as additional settings. And now here, once you are inside the additional settings, simply tap on the option labeled as date and time. And now here by default, automatic time zone is turned on, meaning that your phone sets the time zone based on your current location. So here, if you want to set the time zone manually, simply toggle off the automatic time zone option and tap on select time zone option. And after that, you can choose your region by tapping on region, and let's say if you want to change the time zone to Australia, just tap on the country and after that simply select the region. So here I'm simply selecting the Perth, and once you have selected it, your device clock will instantly adjust to match that time zone. And of course, if you ever want to go back to automatic time zone, just toggle that switch back on and your phone will handle it for you. And that's it. That's how you can change time zone on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.